Yeah, so a lot of AI technologies these days are powered by cloud native technologies, and I think the way to look at it is AI native will take a lot of lessons that we learned in cloud native over the years. For example, in cloud native land, we've learned to abstract a lot of things, whether it's services, pods, service meshes to abstract some of the networking layer. In the AI world, it's still kind of very early days and primitive, where you're choosing different models depending on your tasks, right? Maybe I'm going to use an O1 reasoning model from OpenAI, or I'm going to use an open source DeepSeek model because it's easy to use. So right now there's a lot of choice, and I think in the future you'll see a lot of abstractions there, where maybe we'll have an intelligent LM routing system or some type of LM service mesh style thing. So I think what the future holds is AI native technology, taking a lot of lessons that we learned and abstractions in cloud native and applying them in a new AI context. It's still very, very early days with things fast moving in the AI space. Yes, CNCF of course will integrate and use a lot of AI technology. Right now we're very much focused on the AI infrastructure level, so providing the plumbing you need to run LM inferencing, AI models. We have some exciting work that's happening in Kubernetes in the latest release to improve DRA support, to improve the hosting of AI models. We also have work with new projects coming into CNCF like KitOps, which is recently voted into the sandbox, which is allowing for you to store AI models and weights in container or cloud native registries, which is super cool. So you could actually keep your AI models close to your actual application. So I think there's a lot of work that is currently going on in CNCF to enable the infrastructure bit. And I think what will be exciting in the future is AI evolution is happening so fast, where there's a lot of open source options now. DeepSeek, obviously took the world by storm recently, and I think seeing projects actually host and embed a fully open source model inside the project, kind of like what we have in CNCF. We have a project called KatesGPT. There's also a project called Kubescape that is starting to embed LM models. So I think open source will further enable the evolution and embedding of AI related stuff inside of CNCF projects.